Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the IRONCK Vanity Desk with LED lighted mirror and power outlet. A perfect blend of style and functionality for your bedroom. This makeup table boasts an extra large LED light mirror with 3 adjustable modes: warm, natural, and cold, allowing you to customize the brightness to suit different scenes and makeup needs, simply by long pressing the screen. With a large tabletop, 3 open bookcases, 3 cubbies, 2 drawers, and a storage cabinet with an adjustable shelf, this vanity keeps your space neatly organized and even includes an expandable and foldable countertop for added convenience. The built-in charging station, featuring 2 standard plug sockets and 2 USB ports, makes it easy to connect your hairdryer, curling iron, or charge your phone and tablet, so you can snap a perfect selfie after finishing your makeup. Its sleek and glamorous design offers superior lighted mirror reflection clarity, making it an essential piece whether you're prepping for work or a night out with friends. This vanity desk is not only a stylish addition to any bedroom but also makes for a thoughtful gift for your wife, daughter, or granddaughter on birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Elevate your daily routine with the IRONCK Vanity Desk, where elegance meets practicality in the most delightful way. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.